Hello, ka-foresight, ka-future thinking. Lesson 4 talks about present conditions and the power of today's decisions. This examines how current policies, behaviors, technologies, and institutional cultures lock in or unlock future outcomes in leverage point of transformational change. It emphasized that today's decision is not isolated future, instead a future that implicates the enhanced decisions, the transformation of every decisions, and adaptive decisions for a better change. As Nelson Mandela says, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Carla P. Ariate, your discussant. The points is current policies in education. Education today stands at a critical crossroad. Rapid technological change, shifting global economies, and evolving social needs have created both opportunities and challenges for schools, teachers, and learners. Current conditions reveal widening gaps in access, persisting inequalities, and the urgent demand for skills that prepares students for an unpredictable future. At the same time, education systems are under pressures to adapt, balancing tradition with innovation, equity with excellence, and local needs with global standards. The power of today's decisions on educational policies cannot be overstated. Choices made by policymakers, whether in curriculum design, funding priorities, teachers' development, or digital integration, will shape not only the quality of learning but also the trajectory of entire generation. This policy determines who get access to education, how knowledge is delivered, and what values are instilled. Every decision carries long-term consequences. It can either bridge divides or deepen them, empower learners or limit their potential, prepare societies for progress or leave them behind. In conclusion, the present conditions of our world, marked by rapid technological growth, social complexity, environmental challenges, and global interdependence. Every choice made today, whether by individuals, institutions, or governments, shape the direction of future development. Decisions are not isolated events. They are turning points that either reinforce existing systems or open pathways toward meaningful transformation. Transformational change does not happen by chance. It emerges from conscious, responsible, and value-driven decisions that respond thoughtfully to current realities. When choices are guided by ethical principles, long-term vision, and collective responsibility, they have the capacity to unlock innovation, equity, and sustainable progress. Conversely, decisions driven by short-term interest or unexamined habit risk locking societies into patterns that hinder growth and justice. Therefore, the power of today's decisions lies in their ability to influence tomorrow's possibilities. By recognizing this responsibility and acting with foresight and integrity, individuals and institutions can actively shape a future that reflects transformation rather than stagnation. The seeds of change are planted in the present. What we choose now determines what future becomes.